Just put aspirin in the washing machine and you're gonna thank me. Stop spending money. That's right, everyone. After this tip, you will never wash your clothes like you used to. So, here's the thing. Usually the machine doesn't have any problem washing colored clothes. However, when it's time to wash white clothes, many people may have trouble. That's because, over time, white clothes start to turn yellowish and grimy. Or sometimes there are stains from food, deodorant, or even sweat. And this can be pretty hard to remove. The more we wash it, the worse the stains get. And then we need to buy stain removers for clothes. And sometimes we wash the garment so much that it starts to fray. And then people end up just giving up and throwing the piece away. But fortunately, you don't have to do that. I'm gonna show you a very simple tip so you can remove any type of stain. And of course, to return to the original color of the piece, that beautiful fresh white. And for that, this is what you're gonna do. Take your white pieces and put them in the machine. Then add fabric softener, soap or detergent, and start the washing process as normal. And now, here's the big secret, folks. Before the washing machine starts to agitate, go ahead and add this, aspirin. That's right. You're gonna need 3 aspirin pills. Then take a glass or container. And with the help of some object, we need to crush the pills until we get a fine powder. Now we're gonna need 4 cups of warm water. Not hot, just warm, alright? And then add the aspirin powder. Now give it a good mix to dissolve well. And then just pour it all into the washing machine. Then just continue with the washing process as usual. But the result is really amazing. If you didn't know, aspirin has a great whitening power that, as I said, will help you to remove all kinds of stains. And most importantly, if your white clothes look yellowish and grimy, it is going to return it to its original color. And you don't even have to keep buying new aspirins. You can use expired ones for this. I'm sure most of you guys have some at home, and you can safely use them to do this trick. So that's it, everyone. Try this at home. I'm sure you'll be surprised by the result.